PartnerStack's email templates are a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their affiliate marketing efforts. And today, I'm going to show you how to leverage them to maximize your affiliate program success. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or a seasoned pro, understanding how to use PartnerStack's email templates effectively can save you time, increase conversions, and keep your affiliates engaged. You may be wondering how email templates can help with your affiliate program, and here's the deal. PartnerStack offers a variety of pre-built email templates that you can customize and send out to your affiliates, keeping your communication consistent and professional. These templates are designed to cover all stages of your affiliate program, from welcome emails to updates on new products or promotions. The real beauty of these email templates lies in how they allow you to scale your communications without starting from scratch every time. You can use PartnerStack's templates to set up automated emails for onboarding new affiliates, or even to follow up with existing ones. This helps you stay organized and consistent while maintaining strong relationships with your affiliate partners. When you're just getting started, the onboarding email template is a great place to begin. It's tailored to introduce new affiliates to your program, ensuring they understand the rules, expectations, and incentives from the get-go. This is essential for setting the tone for a successful partnership. And the best part, you don't have to spend time drafting a new email each time. Simply plug in the necessary details and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about keeping affiliates engaged. PartnerStack's email templates also include options for sending regular updates on your program. These updates could be about new product launches, changes to commission rates, or even tips to help affiliates improve their marketing efforts. With these templates, you're not only saving time, but also building stronger relationships with your affiliates by keeping them informed and motivated. One of the most powerful uses of these templates is for promotional campaigns. When you launch a new product or offer a special deal to your affiliates, you can use these email templates to quickly communicate the offer and ensure affiliates know exactly how to promote it. It's all about simplifying the process so your affiliates can focus on driving sales while you handle the back end. Don't forget about follow-up emails. These can be key in keeping affiliates active and motivated in your program. Whether it's reminding them of an upcoming promotion or asking for feedback, these follow-up emails can be automated to ensure no affiliate is left behind. Now, I mentioned earlier that you can use PartnerStack for free through the link below, and I'd highly recommend taking advantage of that. You get exclusive bonuses to help you get the most out of the platform, and trust me, the email templates alone are worth it. By using PartnerStack's email templates strategically, you can automate so many of your affiliate marketing tasks, ensuring you stay organized and that your affiliates feel supported and motivated. The best part is that these templates are customizable, so they'll always align with your brand's voice. If you're new to PartnerStack, I want to remind you that we have an exclusive, extended free trial available through the link in the description below. You'll be able to use PartnerStack's email templates and much more. So don't miss out on this opportunity to grow your affiliate program quickly and efficiently. So there you have it. By leveraging PartnerStack's email templates, you'll save time, engage your affiliates, and drive better results for your affiliate program. Be sure to take advantage of that free trial, and thanks for watching.